Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 17th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Friday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Friday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics. Here is the potential tropical cyclone 22 located right here in the northern portions of the tropical Atlantic, moving through Jamaica, also starting to move through Haiti and the Dominican Republic with a lot of flooding rain, gusty winds, and also a lot of mudslides being reported down in that vicinity as well. A lot of creeks and rivers will rise because so much water will be dumped on the island. So we'll be talking about that in today's video as well, and also we'll be taking a look at the rainfall totals as well. From the National Hurricane Center, what they're predicting there as well. Pretty much the remainder of the tropic looks pretty quiet. We got a little system over here in the south, over here in the MDR region, but nothing development at this time. We got a little cold front extending northeastern tropic. Also got a little system, that little system that moved across Florida is kind of being absorbed by this system further offshore, and this system is kind of robbing most of the moisture, but just a little bit of moisture being lingered off the southeast coast. We've got a cold front extending up here from southeast Canada all the way back down toward the northern Mexico area through Texas. This will continue to push eastbound. This may bring a few scattered sprinkles or a few showers maybe later this afternoon, tonight, across portions of the Carolinas and Georgia, but mainly dry conditions. On my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos. Consider subscribing one more time if you have not. If you know anybody that want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can send them over my way. Love to have them. Also, if you can share these videos on social media, that would be great as well. Alright, well, let's go ahead and continue to get the show on the road there, folks, and we're going to move on to potential tropical cyclone 22 information. Alright, you can see here, we got the system located about right in this vicinity here. Here's Jamaica, here's eastern Cuba. This frame here do not show the Dominican Republic, but it just shows eastern Cuba and Jamaica on this frame here. But you can see most of the activity moving on off to the northeast of the center. The center is about right in this vicinity right here where it's kind of clear. That's where the center of the rotation of the storm is, as it continues to lift on off to the north and east. You can see here's the center of the storm, right in this location here, moving through Jamaica. It's supposed to be a remnant, supposed to be a tropical depression when it moves into the eastern portion of Cuba. Also then it's supposed to become a tropical storm, and then a post-tropical storm by 7 a.m. Sunday morning, and 7 p.m. Sunday still remain a subtropical storm east of Bermuda. If you're tracking this system at home, it's located near latitude 18.0 north, longitude 78.5 west, maximum sustained winds near 35 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the northeast at 16 miles an hour. Still classified as tropical depression with winds of less than 39 miles per hour. Still got tropical storm watches in effect up here around the southeast Bahamas, Turks and Caicos Island, eastern Cuba, Jamaica, also the western coast of Haiti as well. So any of these here could be upgraded to a tropical storm warning at any time. So stay tuned to the local forecast on that. take a look at the hurricane models. As you can see here at the center of the storm, right here near Jamaica, pretty well in line, keeping it going off to the northeast. Here's Bermuda, well southeast of Bermuda, well offshore of the southeast coast, even portions of the Bahamas as well. Just takes it right through this area here and keeps on off to the north and east. So that's what the computer model is showing at this time. Pretty much the rest of them are in line with that. We're going to take a look at the intensity guidance. Right now it has about 30 knot winds, equal to 35 miles per hour. Most of the models keeps into a tropical depression or just a remnant low. Some of the models do take it into a tropical storm. That's why the National Hurricane Center is still going with possible tropical storm development. I still believe it will become tropical storm events. So we'll continue to monitor that as we draw near. All right. Let's move on to the rain. Okay, still waiting for it to pop up here. There it is. Alright, we're still getting about a foot of rain off the Cuba coast in the yellow areas. If you're in the lighter green areas here, you're 1 to 2 inches. Also, if you're in the darker green, you are in the 2 to 4 inch range. If you're in the kind of yellow looking color, you're in the 4 to 6 inch range. And if you're in the darker yellow color here, like highway yellow almost, you're in the 8+ inches. That would be 6 to 8 inches plus more. If you're in this orange area here, this is a foot or more of rain. That's about 8 to 12 inches of rain and more in that area. Same down here in portion of Costa Rica and also Panama region as well. Also with the foot of rain in the Eastern Pacific. Also west coast of the area of Costa Rica and Panama. Also we had that 6 to 8 inch and 4 to 8 inch rainfall totals as well. And also we have some green in the 2 to 4 inch and also 1 to 2 inches down in there as well. Alright, that's your tropical update. Let's move on to the watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see here we got gale warnings, storm warnings, also small craft advisory extended from up here near Maine all the way down the east coast of Florida. Same over in portions of California all the way to portions of Washington State. Storm warnings out in the tropical Atlantic. Same up here in portions of the east coast. Alright, we got tropical storm warnings in the burgundy red color here. Also we still have some hydro issues over northeast Florida. Special weather statements over Virginia. We have winter weather advisories over a portion of Washington, Oregon State. Also some dense fog advisory. Also have some air quality alerts there as well for Oregon, Washington, and Idaho. And also we have some wind advisory down in portion of California. The remainder of the United States looks pretty quiet. We still have some storm warnings along coastal areas of the Hawaii chain island. South Islands have some small craft advisories. Around the Alaska area, down on the south side, you got some small craft advisories. Still got winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, special weather statements inland, and that freeze and spray warning to the northwest and west coast of Alaska. And finally, we're going to wrap it up with the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook across the nation. Alright, you can see here is the temperature, and then we'll look at the precipitation. Much of the United States is going to be well below normal, standing up here from, this is valid from November 24th through November the 30th, 2023. This was issued yesterday. We have below normal temperature from Maine down to central and northern Florida, back to Texas, as far west as portions of Montana. We have near normal and above normal temperatures across South Florida. Same over here in the west from portions of Montana back to portions of New Mexico, portions west into California. We have above normal temperatures over all of Alaska and same down in the Hawaii chain islands. Alright, now here's the precipitation outlook across the nation. Same date, November 24th through November 30th, 2023, issued November 16th, 2023. Which was normal precipitation standing from Maine all the way back to portions of the Missouri area and all the way back over toward portions of Arizona, New Mexico, California, well below normal precipitation over Idaho, portion of Montana, Utah, Nevada, and also into areas of Oregon. Same up here in portion of Michigan, Wisconsin, down into portions of Minnesota, all the way over to Minnesota as well. Northern Indiana, northern Illinois as well. We got near normal precipitation extended through central portion of the state, Texas, back up to portion of Wyoming, all the way over toward New York State, also in the portion of Virginia. Then above normal precipitation extending from southeast Virginia through the Carolinas, Florida, back down to south portions of Texas and central Texas as well. Above normal precipitation, all areas of central and south of Alaska looks above normal precipitation, near normal precipitation to the north, and northeastern areas below normal temp precipitation. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Friday afternoon, folks. Take care.